Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on how to submit serious safety event data. Starting here at the SSER SharePoint, I'm going to scroll over to SSE Tracking, and that brings up the All Item view for serious safety events. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, click Add New Item, and that brings up the Serious Safety Event Reporting data entry form. Now, for my example, I'm going to enter that Providence St. Vincent had one serious safety event with one SSE resulting in death for January 2019. So from the drop-down menu, I select 2019 for the year, 01 for the month. St. Vincent's is an Oregon region hospital. Subregion is Oregon as well. It's also an acute care facility, so I will set entity type to acute. And now under entity, I can select Providence St. Vincent. Now for the total count of SSEs, I'll enter 1. For SSEs resulting in death, I'll enter 1 as well. Now for serious safety event rate and average number of days between SSEs, if you have the Excel spreadsheet for SSE data, these fields should be calculated within it, but if not, these are optional. But let's assume I am using that spreadsheet. I'll enter what the calculated rate is, let's say 0.032, and average number of days between SSEs, let's say 100. I click Submit. I'm told the form was submitted successfully. I click OK, and now here at the top I can see the data I just entered. But let's say later on I discover there was an error or that the count of SSEs changed. Let's say I need January to now have 2 SSEs with the number resulting in death to still just be 1. How can I edit that data? Well, let me show you first some options for finding it, just in case it's not easily found right at the top of the screen. Now this spreadsheet works very much like one in Excel. So if I hover the cursor over Created By, I can bring up a drop-down menu. I scroll down and find my name. And now I've filtered it so that only data that I've entered is visible. But let's say it might have been entered by somebody else, or for some other reason, I can also filter on these other fields. Since I know I'm looking for Providence St. Vincent, just to make things a little easier to find under entity, I'll enter that it was Oregon region. Subregion is Oregon as well. Entity type, acute care. And now I can filter to the PSVMC. And that brings up all of the entries for Providence St. Vincent. I can further filter it on year for 2019, and I could also do it on month, but as you can see at this point, that would be redundant. If I let my mouse hover over any part of the entry, I can see this checkbox, click on it, and that brings up a list of options in the ribbon. If I click Edit Item, that brings up the form with the data I originally entered. Since I need to change the count of SSEs to 2, I make that change. I click Submit. I'm told the form was submitted successfully, and now I can see that everything is reflected properly. Thank you for watching.